In this video, we are going to discuss how to write a query statement used for round, min and average function for a given problem, and how to write the subquery to link the tables. So here in this video we are going to use the round, min, average functions, and if needed we will use subqueries also to link the tables and find the results. So this is the continuation video of DB exam marks DB, where we have um, written many, I will say more than 30 query statements, where it can be an update query statement, select, delete, and we have used inner join also for the query statements, and subqueries also we have used. So this video is also a continuation of those series of collection. So we will see the requirements and write the query statement. So question set 29. Find the all marks obtained by the students in all subjects in the first term to the integer. So we must find the subjects obtained by all the students in the data type integer. So we will I'll delete this previously written query and write the new query here. So this is my query statement to find the marks in the type integer. Here I have inner join the exam term table, and because I have given the condition term name equals first term. So we will execute this query statement and see the result. So the results are all in the type integer, no decimal place marks. So we will move on to the next requirement. Find the average to 2 decimal places in the marks obtained by the students for the first term mathematics subject. So we will find the average marks of the students to 2 decimal places of the subject mathematics in the first term. So I will delete this query and write the new query here. So this is my query statement to find the average mark into 2 decimal places. Using round function, I have given average mark to 2 decimal places, and I have inner joined exam term table and subject table, because I have given the condition term name equals first term and the subject name equals mathematics. So we will find the average marks of all students who for the subject mathematics in the first term. So we will see the average marks is 71.84. So the marks is given in by the 2 decimal places. So we will move on to the next requirement. What is the lowest mark obtained for the science subject in all term examination of all students in class 11A? So we must find the lowest mark for the science subject in all term in the class 11A. So we will clear this query, previously written query statement, and write the new query statement for this requirement. So this is my query statement to find the lowest mark obtained by the class students of 11A for the subject science in all terms. That means the both terms, first term and second term. So here I have join the table student, subject and class, because I have given the condition subject name equals science and class name equals 11A, because we have joined the student table to find the students information. So we will execute this statement, this query statement, and see the result. So the min mark of the science marks of class 11A for the both terms is 23.5. So we will move on to the next requirement. Find the average of the marks obtained by Amanda Moses, second term mathematics, science and Sinhala language and literature. We must find the average marks obtained by Amanda Moses in second term for the all subjects. So here I will clear the previously written query and write the new query for this requirement. So here I have written the query statement to find the average mark of the student where the first name is Amanda, last name is Moses, and the term name is second term, and the subjects we need to find is mathematics, science, and Sinhala language and literature. We need to find the average mark of these three subjects. So here I have inner join the student table, subject table, exam term table, because I have mentioned in the conditions, I have mentioned the data which belong to those tables. So here we will execute the query statement and see the result. So the average mark is for all three subjects for the second term is 88.62666666. Okay, this is the average mark. We will move on to the next requirement. Find the average two decimal places in the marks obtained by the students in class 11A in the second term for all subjects. We need to find the average of all subjects in the second term for two decimal places whose class is 11A. So here I will clear the previously written query statement and write the new query statement here. So here's my query statement to find the average marks of the students whose class is 11A, and the term we must find all the subjects average mark, and the term must be second term. So I have round the average to two decimal places using the round function. Here I have inner join the student table, exam term table, class table, because here I have given the condition class name 11A and exam term name second term, and student table is inner join because we need to retrieve the student information from the student table. So we will execute this query statement and see the result. So the average marks to rounded to two decimal place is 76.52 for all subjects for the second term and the students who are in the class 11A. So that's all for this video. Thank you. Have a nice day.